If you want to make and answer phone calls on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, you tap on your phone icon, and to make a call, first of all, you are to type in your phone number in the dialer. So tap on your dialer, and now you can enter any kind of number and press call to make it. Also, you can call one of your contacts if you have it added to your list. To add up a contact, once again, you're to add any kind of number, press create a contact or add to existing contact. So choose where you want to set it on your device or on your Google account, and set it up, add it up right here. Right, so when you're making a call, let's do this. You can open up your keypad, you can mute your microphone, you can enable your speaker, or you can add up another caller within your call, right? If someone is calling you, you'll have two buttons, red one to accept call, green one to decline the call, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.